ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಂದಿನಿ ಅಂತ. I'm here to explain you people about the third chapter, course outcome 3, that is course and core making. So in the previous sessions, we have discussed about what is course, how the course are prepared. So what we need to prepare the course. So not only we require course and we also require some other special instrument or equipment to prepare the course. So in this session, we are going to discuss about that in detail. So in this session, we are going to cover types of core boxes. What is core box and its types? So core box is nothing but it is a device or it is a thing where you can dump the core sand and you can prepare a desired shape to the course. So on the core ge on the desired shape beku antandre, so in the core box you have to prepare. So yake ನಾವು core use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So ಏನಂತ, so core is a device used to prepare or produce a cavities in the casting. Casting ಅಲ್ಲಿ cavities ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ you need to use the core. So ಆ core ಯಾವ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, so in which shape it is or in which size it is, ಯಾವ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ an instrument or a device used to produce a course. So it is used for ramming. It is used for ramming the course, and to get the desired shape to the course, we are using the core boxes. So there are some core boxes here we listed. There are half core box, dump core box, and split core box. And also we discuss about left and right hand core box, Stickle core box, and gang core box. So in this session, we are going to discuss about half core box, dump core box, and split core box. So here is the half core box. The name itself is suggested. The name itself says that it is half. Half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ. So half core box ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So in the name itself, it is answered that half core box. Only the core box is in half. Okay, that means if the core box itself is half, then you can only produce the half core at a time. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೀವು core ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can only produce half section, not full section. You can only produce half section. It is only for maximum, it is used for producing cylindrical shapes. So a cylindrical shape ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this pencil is in a cylindrical shape. Okay, ಈ half portion of the cylinder, half portion of the pencil, it is prepared. ಇವಾಗ one full section ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಂದ, one full cylindrical section ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in the same box you have to prepare another section and you can join both the sections which are produced previously ಒಂದು half section ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, and now one more half section is produced. So by joining together both the sections, you can produce one full section. That means the name suggests that it is a half core box. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೀವು core box ಇಂದ ಒಂದು core ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ only one half section of the core is produced. If you want to make one full section of the core, another half section has to be produced, and again the two sections which are produced in two times, that two half sections are assembled together and they are cemented together, and then one full section is produced. So they tell that these two half portions are pasted together after baking, thus makes a complete core. Remember that after producing two half sections, it has to be baked. Now baking ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದೀವಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸತಿ ಮೋಲ್ಡಿ, ಸೊ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದೀವಿ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬೇಕ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ the two half sections fractured surfaces ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಗೆ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ. Then both the half sections are joined together and it is complete. It makes a complete core. So this is the diagram of half core box. So this is the product produced from this core box, only half section. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು half section ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಇದರ ಕೋರ್ ನ ರ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೋರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮೆಂಟೈಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಫ್ ಕೋರ್ ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನದರ್ core box called as dump core box. So here we can produce the core, a full core at a time. So comparatively with previous core box, half core box ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ half core box ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ dump core box ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this half core box will prepare only half portion of the core. And if you want to make one more core, one full core ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ another half portion ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ramming ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. In this dump core box, what happens, we can produce a rectangular section of the core. So this is a similar way of half core box. Half core box ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ, but it produces one full core at a time. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೀವು ramming ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೀವು core box ಇಂದ core sand ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ramming ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this produces one full core at single time. Rather than comparing to half core box produces only half portion of the molding, half portion of the core, and this dump core box will produce a full core in single time. This is the advantage by dump core box. So this core box is commonly used for making rectangular shapes, square shapes, slab shape, and triangular shape and trapezoidal shapes. So either the main intention of this core box is it looks like it is very similar to half core box, but in this construction wise compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this looks like half core box itself, but it produces one full core at a time. One single time alle one full core produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ compared to half core box. Okay, and another one core box is a split core box. So split core box ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಿದೆ, split ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, the core box is split into two halves. So you can see here, this is one half section and this is another half section. This has a desired shape to the core boxes. This is one core box and this is another core box. These two core boxes are having dowel pins. So in order to join the two half core boxes, there is a dowel pins which is used to make the alignment in between the two half core boxes. See here, it consists of two parts joined together with the help of dowel pins and holes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ dowel pins ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you get a cavity in the center. So when you get a cavity in the center, after joining the two core boxes, you get a cavity in the center. So in that center, you are going to fill up the core sand. So after filling up the core sand, you can ram by using the rammer. ಒಂದು rammer ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ram ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನೋ ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಕೋರ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕೋರ್ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್. ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನೋ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಶೇಪ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಮೈರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಕೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ದ core box is splitted into two half section. Remember, the name itself says it is split. ಅಂದ್ರೆ core box split ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 2 numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So this is one half of the core box and this is another half of the core box. When these two half core boxes are joined together, there with the help of dowel pins, there you get a cavity in the center. So in the center of the core box, you pour the core sand and you ram it very tightly. And then after removing the two half core boxes, you get a one full core. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, to produce very complicated shapes, complicated core. For that purpose, you are going to use this split core box. And if the core is too large or too big, this split core box can be used. So in this also, likewise, ನಾವು ಡಂಪ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವೋ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕೋರ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್. So here dump core box is also called as slab core box. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಮರ್ತಿದೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು. Dump core box is also called as slab core box. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ತಿಂತೀವಪ್ಪ, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹೋದಾಗ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಂಪ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೋರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, and this is split core box. As we discussed, this core box is split into two half sections. Thank you very much.